We're already in the start position adjacent to our corner. What we're going to do first is we're going to set the car up into reverse and feel the biting point. So we're prepared. Next is always over observation. So remember, we're sticking to the POM premise. So prepare, observe all around, everything nice and safe. I'm going to take the handbrake off and I'm going to allow the car to move back gently. And as we move back, there's a car coming, so I immediately stop and put on the brake. Keep your observations going and keep checking throughout to make sure it's staying nice and safe. What we're going to do is we're going to be looking into the window and the door mirror on the left-hand side. So as we come back, I'm checking with my door mirror to make sure that I can see the pavement is alongside me. If I spot any other vehicles coming, remember to always pause and be stationary until they've passed by. Once they've gone again, doing final checks around over the left shoulder, letting the car move back. I'm checking with my left door mirror to make sure that I can see the pavement all the time next to me and to keep a nice small gap of about a drain's width all the way back to the corner. I'm trying to see with that door mirror when the rear of my car comes level with where the first part of the corner turns away from me. As I reach that point and I can see where the corner starts to turn away, I pause briefly. Now at this point, which is our turning point, I remember to check all around again. So it's important to pause here and do big observations all the way around over your right shoulder, all the way around over your left shoulder, checking both the existing road and the new road that we want to reverse into. If everything's safe, we're then going to steer. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn the steering wheel a half a turn to the left, so the word forward in our case is upside down. And we're going to do that immediately we start moving and hold for the moment. I keep my observational checks going and I'm allowing the car to move at just a walking pace. As it comes around the corner, I keep a check on my left-hand side door mirror to make sure that I feel like I'm following the corner around. So I can keep the corner in view at all times. I know I'm doing okay. I keep pausing to check all around against my right shoulder and left shoulder. Existing road, new road, making sure both are safe. On my way around, if I feel that the gap is growing, I can increase my steering slightly to the left to keep it closer to the pavement. As I check and come round the corner, eventually, I'm going very slowly, remember, I should start to see myself coming in towards the pavement again and in towards the new road. I now need to start reducing my steering a little bit. So I'm taking off small amounts to the right to start to reduce the steering down from what I had originally. All the time keeping my observations going all around and with the door mirror to check my location against the pavement. As I see myself coming completely straight with the pavement in the new road, that's when I need my steering to come back to straight alignment again. So I'm just coming straight, so I'm now bringing my steering wheel round to the right to get the steering completely straight again. In the new road, I'm checking behind myself over my shoulder to make sure it's safe behind me, with the door mirror to check my location, and looking around in front of me to also check no pedestrians or anybody coming off of the pavement. And I get my car to come back a safe distance into the new road. We're looking at something which is about 2 car lengths. To help you to judge 2 car lengths, if the white lines were visible on the floor, we'd be counting about 2 to 3 white lines back up from the junction. And then I stop my car, handbrake back on, into neutral to secure it, and I've completed my left reverse exercise. Some key points to remember: take your time, go slowly, keep stopping to check all around. Remember, we must stop and give way if there's any other road users at all, cyclists, cars, van drivers, even pedestrians on the pavement who are coming to the corner to cross the road. We must pause first and check them and make sure that they're safe. Once they've gone, then we can continue. If you found it necessary to, you may even, if there's somebody coming out of this road behind you, have to go back to the start again, and that's quite allowed. Go back to the beginning, get out of the way, allow the car to come out of this road. Once they've gone, just simply start your process again. Keep taking your time, keep a check on the door mirror on the left on the passenger side to follow your corner round, and use small amounts of steering, but do it in a way that you can keep in touch with the pavement. If you're losing visibility of the pavement in the left door mirror, you're going too wide. Try to bring it back in again, use more left steer. To get closer, more left. To get away from the pavement again, more right on the steering, remember. But take it easy, don't go too quickly on the steering, and take your time. If anything goes wrong or you feel like it's going wrong, stop the car and try and make an assessment, and stick to your POM routine throughout. Prepare, observe, and maneuver. Good luck.